guys, happy Vlogmas day number 3. So I'm starting the vlog a little bit later. I actually started it earlier today and I've filmed a few things, but honestly I'm just not feeling it at all. So I figured I would just start over. We're just hitting the redo button here. Basically, I'm struggling with some sinus problems. If you guys have followed me for the past like 3 years, you know I have sinus problems. It is very common for this time of year for them to not play nice. So I've been dealing with that. I didn't really want to say anything about it because I feel like in 2020, if you say, oh my gosh, I have a sinus headache, you know what happens. I'm not sick, so don't worry. This is a very normal thing in my life. And surprisingly, my sinuses have been a lot better this year, but that doesn't mean I still don't have problems, you know? So I've just not been feeling it. I've not really been feeling the motivation to do a lot. I did edit my Vlogmas and put that up, and then I also filmed some stuff for my foil course, but honestly, that's been about it. I've not been good about getting stuff done today, so there's that. It's gonna happen sometimes. When you're vlogging every single day, it's gonna happen. Not every day is perfect, and I have to remember that, but it's hard because I'm just like, I've gotta make it perfect. So I think what I want to do is turn this light on so it's a little bit brighter in here. Yeah, that helped. I think what I want to do is get myself a cup of tea because I just need a little pick-me-up this afternoon. And I have about an hour before James gets off work, so I'm going to work on tidying the house and show you guys that. Don't judge me. My house looks like a mess. But I'm going to show it to you because it's real life. I'm a real person. Sorry if that upsets you, but I am a real person and this is a real mess in my life. All right, but let's go make a cup of tea before I show you this disaster. I can finally use a Christmas mug. So if you guys watched, I believe it was yesterday's vlog, when I was making my cup of tea, I couldn't find my Christmas tea mugs because they were all in the dishwasher. So I'm gonna be using this one. And we are just going to we'll do 10 ounces. I think that'll fit in here. So we'll do 10 ounces of hot water. And then I'm gonna be putting this tea in there. This is the peppermint bark cool winter tea from the Republic of Tea. I got this at Earth Fair before they closed. So sad. I'm so sad that Earth Fair went out of business. But anyway, I'm going to use this and put it in there and have this little pick-me-up. It smells like Christmas in a cup. It's got like chocolate and peppermint in there, so it's such a good tea. All right, now it's time to show you guys. Do I even want to show you? It's so bad. It's so bad. All right, I'm gonna show you guys. So here we have the kitchen. There's a mess over there, which you'll see it in a minute. A mess there, a mess everywhere, a mess. Old McRachel had a mess. E-I-E-I-O. And then we have this, which, anyway, we have, a lot of that is actually James's mess. I'm just gonna throw him under the bus. Well, technically he bought the grow light for my plant and his plant, so technically it's still his, right? Dixie's judging me so hard right now. So anyway, we have this lovely mess. We have all of our Christmas stuff out because we filmed that intro video. So I'm gonna actually move all this over here behind the tree until we're actually ready to decorate. Yes, only half the tree lights up because these lights burn out and we have to string new lights on it, so that's fun. But I am gonna move all the Christmas stuff back here and, you know, just tidy up. Just what is going on here? At least my office looks better because I tidied it up yesterday. But yeah, the living room's not too bad. It's all good. We are gonna clean it up. This is a little Vlogmas clean with me. If you guys have been missing my cleaning videos, well, here you go. I mean, as you can tell, I've not been cleaning, so. But yeah, we are gonna clean today. We're gonna get it done, and we're gonna save this day of Vlogmas because, yeah, I'm just not feeling it. So I don't know how much I'm gonna clean. If I'm gonna just go all in and clean everything, or if I'm just going to clean the kitchen and living room and like just ignore the bedroom. I can shut the door. No one has to see it. So I tidied up the living room and I put this wreath here because I was like, what am I gonna put up there? And then I was like, oh my gosh, we can put this one up here. I actually want to get one for our door, but we don't have like a door hanger thing. So we need to get that. And then I want to get a real one for our door. And we actually have something that is supposed to go on our door like year round. I mean, like obviously not during the Christmas season, but I don't know if you've seen it in my vlogs. Let me show you. So we actually have this that's supposed to go on our front door, but we still don't have a thing to hang it. And so there was like a little nail there. So I just hung it right there for right now because I do want to hang it up on our door. But like I said, we don't have a thing on our door to hang it. But James, wow, that was so rude. I'll play with you in a minute, hang on. James's dad actually made this for us, and the reason that it says DW, a lot of you may not know this, is that James and I do not have the same last name. I never changed my name when we got married, and honestly, I don't know if I ever will. Like, it's not something that's super important to me. I know some people are like, oh, you're not married if you don't have the same last name, but we are married, just don't have the same last name. So that's why, because my last name starts with a D, James's starts with a W. Dixie doesn't know what her last name is. All she wants is for me to throw this dinosaur. It's really kind of funny. Okay, you gotta, like, I guess you have to bring entertainment to the vlog, right? Right? Let it go. You gotta let it go. You gotta let it go. I can't throw it if you don't let it go. Dixie, let it go. Let it go. You're just showing off for the vlog. All right, clearly Dixie doesn't want me to vlog right now. All she wants me to do is throw her toys. I'm actually kicking her toy right now, so that's fun. But I'm gonna go try to do a little bit more work. I think I'm done cleaning for right now though, because I have the kitchen clean, I have the living room clean, and those are the places we spend most of our time. Sounds kind of weird. I spend most of my time in the kitchen, but you know what I mean. We spend most of our time in our living room, in the office, which is it's still pretty tidy from yesterday, in the living room, so I feel pretty good about this. Obviously, like, we need to do a full-on house cleaning, which will be coming soon, but for today, we're not doing that. Okay, guys, it is time. I don't know. It is time for our advent calendar. I'm so excited, and Dixie is too. She heard and she's here. So let's do this. Day number 2.
It's another little doggy bone.
Ooh.
She dropped.
She has a hard time on the floor. Oh, she got it. So day 2. Where's day 2? Right here. Rawr. No focus. There you go.
Ooh, which one's that?
Looks like a T-Rex.
He's got those scrawny arms.
But he can come over here with this guy. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap up today's Vlogmas. I know it wasn't super exciting, but...
What do you mean? They saw a dinosaur bone?
A dinosaur bone?
Maybe. We don't know.
Oh, is that what Dixie's bone is? Dinosaur bone. I mean, they saw me clean.
Well, that's exciting, because I don't have to clean.
Anyway, but that is going to wrap up today's Vlogmas. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Pray for me, because I have to put up with this one. Alright, so that wraps it up for today. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.